Have you ever watched a video on social media and wish you could reduce the background noise and focus more on the voice? On the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, there is a Galaxy AI feature called Audio Eraser that can help with that. It can reduce unwanted background sound in videos while you are watching them inside certain apps. Let me show you how it works. First, open an app that plays video like Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube. As the example, we will use YouTube. Now, start playing a video. While the video is playing, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the quick panel. Now, tap Audio Eraser. When you tap it, the audio eraser setting for that specific app will appear, in this case YouTube. At the top, you will see a switch to turn audio eraser on or off for the current app. Below that, there is a strength slider. You can move the slider to adjust how strongly the phone reduces background noise. If you move the slider to the maximum level, another option called voice focus will be available to be turned on or off. When voice focus is turned on, the phone will try to make voices clearer while reducing other sound. After adjusting the setting, tap Done to apply them. One interesting thing about this feature is that each app can have its own audio eraser setting depending on where you use it. So if you watch videos on different apps, the phone can apply separate noise reduction setting for each one. This makes the audio eraser feature on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra very useful when you want to focus on voices and reduce distracting background sound. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.